Well, continuing our Road to Recovery coverage, a local movie theater is now reopened after months of repairs. Regulars waited outside the door to see the first showing today at the Collins Road Theater. KWWL photojournalist Kennedy DeRate takes us there.
Today's the first day we popped any popcorn, and I smelled that stuff going, and I said, this smells like old times. The reaction was actually kind of overwhelming.
We've been tracking them all along going, yeah, you got to hurry up. We're waiting for the new seats, and we're waiting for the new movies.
We have spent 4 months closed down from the damage. The derecho just destroyed the roof and blew off the rooftop units, which let a lot of rain come in, which destroyed all the ceiling tiles, destroyed all the carpet. But we've been able to turn lemons into lemonade because now we have brand new seats. We have brand new carpet that's really pretty loud. We have brand new HVAC rooftop air conditioning units that have all the filtering that people really want for, COVID safety. We have The Cruise, we have Let Him Go, and an old classic, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Now, time is any, we need a good escape. I'm really excited about the new seats. They look really comfortable.
A lot of the people here today are regulars who just wanted to be here for the first show.
We've been coming here since he first opened. And I think we were at one of the last shows and before the derecho, and I think we were at one of the first shows after, so it's actually pretty cool.
They put in a lot of work and money to reopen, so give them a shot. They need your business just like every other place in town now.
Come see a movie. We've got real butter for the popcorn.
Looks great. A very exciting day for them. Now, to prevent the spread of COVID-19, masks are required and hand sanitizer is placed throughout the theater. Also, the theater is offering private screenings for groups that prefer to not be seated with strangers.